Okay, can we talk about Hyun Bin for a second? Fans are celebrating again because he received another recognition, and honestly, are we even surprised anymore? But for me, this isn't just about another award. I think what makes Hyun Bin different is consistency. In an industry where trends change fast, he's still one of those actors people continue to trust and support. And I really think that's special because success isn't only about becoming famous, it's about staying respected over time. So, congratulations to Hyun Bin. One question though, what do you think makes him stand out the most? His acting, charisma, or personality? Let me know below.